what I don't do for YouTube, right? Like literally. Hello everybody, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and in today's clip, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, I'm actually gonna test out some stuff from Revolution Hair. More specifically, the actual root touch. I've been seeing a lot of stuff when it comes to this product, not only for the hair, but also doing fake freckles. And I'm very curious to see if both work in the sense of like retouching my roots. As you can see, they're really kind of like grown out. And also for the fake freckle, because it looks much easier. Let's hope it actually works and I'm not gonna end up with like a huge spot on my face. That could happen, but we'll see. Exciting times. Actually, I've been gifted these two guys from Revolution, which is crazy. I'm really excited for that because Makeup Revolution and Revolution in general is my all-time favorite brand. They have loads of products that really do work for me. Not every single one, but majority of them I've always been happy with them. And let's hope these are gonna be a success, because this is in golden blonde, and as you can see, my hair is not necessarily that golden, but this was the lightest shade. So I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm a little bit scared that this is not gonna work out for my hair. While this one is dark blonde, obviously this is definitely not gonna work out to retouch my roots. Sorry, there's like a thing inside that, you know what, I'm just gonna leave them there until I finish my intro. So what I was saying is, obviously the dark blonde is not gonna work out for my roots. It's just probably gonna be the same color, but it's gonna work out nicely for the fake freckles. And to actually give a shout out, the person I've seen an actual in-depth tutorial, I'm pretty sure she posted it on TikTok. If she posted it on TikTok, I'm gonna insert it. But my friend Mira, she has her Instagram at Mira Nedelcu. She actually showed how she uses one from L'Oreal and does fake freckles. And yeah, the one from L'Oreal is like 10 pounds, while these guys are only 6. So much cheaper. It says on the bottle it should last up to 25 uses. So yeah, I mean, does it say anything more relevant? No, it doesn't say anything. And yeah, I guess you just spray it. It has this kind of a nozzle. That was hard. It has this kind of a like nozzle with like a tiny bit of a pump. And basically with the fake freckles, you don't have to press too hard. But let's jump into the golden blonde for the roots to see if it works. I guess you shake it. Why did I close it? These are so hard to open, okay? And scary times. Let's go. Bear with me. I'm actually gonna go and grab a hairbrush. Maybe I can save this, but as you can see now, this is way too golden for my hair. My hair is extremely blonde. So be right back. Nah, this is not gonna work out. I'm so sad. Yeah, it doesn't say anything like scary that it's gonna stain an actual blonde like mine, but I'm so sad because obviously these were gifted and I wished they could work for my hair. It does not. It's way too orange. It's way too golden. Like, it's not orange, it's just like way too golden. I'm gonna try to push it through. We do not like it. No, it doesn't work for my hair, unfortunately, this one. Like, you really can see it's way too yellow. way too yellow. So that's a bit sad because I'm so sorry if by any means Makeup Revolution hair is gonna watch this, but maybe expand the range, because seriously it has potential. Like pigmentation, slay. It actually is really pigmented. You like, obviously I did brush it through in the hopes that it's gonna blend out nicely with my hair. It does not. It's way too golden. So yeah, maybe make a platinum like mine. Mine is, I mean, can I call it platinum now? Because obviously that's golden blonde. Mine is like, it's not platinum but it still like has a white hint into it. It has more gray hint into it. Like it's very gray toned. It still has some warmth into it, mine, because I do it home, not professionally. So sometimes there are areas where it's a bit golden, because I mean, I'm not a hair professional, but I'm very happy with my overall result. However, it's not this color. It is not. So that's unfortunate. It's sad. I wish I could say, oh my god, this works for my hair. But if you have hair like mine, like this, like color, it's not gonna work out. But let's try this, if it's gonna give me some nice fake freckles. What I'm gonna do beforehand is take tissue and try to spritz it, because the technique is you don't need to press hard, you just need to press like so I'm gonna practice that on an actual tissue first. Let's see. So you have to kind of like do this is going to be hard. The hell? Wait. Okay. So you need to literally like press so like gently. Oh, I even love my makeup, but seriously I can't get out with that hair anyway. So let's try. I'm scared. Ooh, do you see it? It's very subtle. Okay, again. Wow, that is so subtle. Like it looks so natural. Let me finish. Okay, I went overboard, but still looks nice. It looks so natural. Sorry, I'm looking at my viewfinder now, because if you didn't know, I changed my camera so I can finally see what the hell I'm doing. But you can see even here, like it looks so natural. You can see them now. Like it looks so natural. You just need to be extremely careful, because you might stand the chance of having like a huge blob on your face. But you can see even better now how bad the golden shade works for my roots. Unfortunately, this is a huge no-no. As you can see, my hair still has like a warmth into it, because it's not perfect. I had it dyed and also bleached around here, so it's not just necessarily this color, you know, smoothly, but this is way too yellow. Like it's way too yellow. Even this side, you see the warmth, but it's still like light, while this is yellow. So it's, because that's why I thought maybe it's gonna work out, since I still have some warmth into my hair. Like I said, I'm not doing it professionally, and some areas are just like a bit warmer than other bits where I have my hair bleached. So that's why it's like that. Basically, these parts are like my natural hair, and they could do another round of bleach, but I'm just too scared to do it. So I'm not minded, like I do not mind, but that's why I thought this is going to work out, but it doesn't. It really does not, unfortunately. However, The actual fake freckle kind of like technique I've seen in my friend Mira actually works, so I definitely highly encourage you to grab this guy. It's much cheaper than the one from L'Oreal. I'm not quite sure if the one from L'Oreal is bigger, but this has 75 milliliters, and seriously I don't think you necessarily need like a bigger bottle. Like, how many times you're gonna do fake freckles like these? Maybe on an often basis I would see myself doing that, but obviously not everybody does them on a daily. I'm still trying to show them to you basically. Oh my god, they look so beautiful. Like, they genuinely look so natural, so natural. I already have like a freckle kind of like tint from Lottie London, but I think this genuinely does a much better job at making them look even more natural, because it kind of like sprinkles them all around your face randomly. And while with the Lottie London one, you need to precisely put them in a way that looks natural, and sometimes it works with that, like I can achieve that, but sometimes I can't achieve it. Like, it's just those days where I'm like da, 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 and I'm like, it doesn't look natural. It does not. But I feel with this one you could potentially make it look natural, because obviously you don't know where they are going exactly. And yeah, I think for the fake freckle bit, definitely is worth buying it. I will definitely see myself reaching out for this. I wish I could say it works for the roots, but I'm so happy that I learned this technique for the fake freckles to at least say a positive in this video. It works for that. It's beautiful. I actually love it. I'm definitely gonna reach out for this guy a lot when it comes to fake freckles. Obviously you could use it for, you know, your roots. It's really nicely pigmented, and as you can see, it's definitely a cool toned kind of like brown, so it's not like, I don't know what is this. It looks yellow. Maybe it's just the difference between my my hair and it, but it looks way too yellow that I don't know if it's gonna work out nicely for golden hair. I don't know, I don't have golden hair, so I shouldn't say that for sure. But dark blonde, it looks like a really nice tone of dark blonde, because I used to have dark blonde. So yeah, without further ado, I really hope by any means this video was useful and relevant to you and you find it helpful. Again, I'm super happy that not Makeup Revolution Hair gifted these things to me. It's a huge thing for me because I love Revolution in general, and I started to be more into hair lately since I started bleaching my own hair and stuff. So definitely these were at the right time, because I'm more excited about hair products. Like literally I'm searching the internet for all things hair, which I never did before. So yeah, it's exciting. Unfortunately, this one I do not recommend it for someone with my hair. It does not match, but the fake freckle bit, you're welcome. I mean, if it wasn't me seeing at my friend Mira, I couldn't knew about this technique. So obviously I'll thank her as well for showing us the secret, because seriously her fake freckles always looks on point, and I can see now why, because that actually does the whole job for you. So without further ado, I hope by any means you're gonna like this video. If you enjoyed it, you're gonna subscribe. I always upload, I always say makeup, but seriously I'm gonna start doing hair as well, and skincare. Obviously I'm not professional, but from a consumer standpoint, I'm gonna do it, and it's just all about beauty, alright? So if you enjoy beauty, subscribe. Make sure you're hitting the notification bell button so you will be notified. But generally speaking, I upload every single Tuesday, but sometimes I upload in other days too. So maybe, you know, to make sure, bell button, you're done and you're gonna be notified. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you within the next one. Bye!